how to hide your Instagram followers and following. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can hide your Instagram followers and following list. Now, first things first, if you open up Instagram and if you head over to your profile or if you head over to someone else's profile, you'll be able to see the list, the numbers of followers and following. And if their account is public, if you tap on it, you'll be able to see their list as well. Now, if you want to hide it from others, then what you will have to do is you can simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner on your profile, scroll down and tap on account privacy, and you want to switch to private account. Now, when your account is public, your profile and post can be seen by anyone. When your account is private, only the followers you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos or hashtags and location pages and your followers and following list. So as you can see, you want to simply toggle it on, and once your account is private, now what you'll have to do is you'll have to review the followers. So you can simply head over to your profile and then tap on the list of followers. Now anyone who is already following you will be able to see your followers and following list, so you'll have to remove them. If you want to hide it from particularly someone, you can remove them from your followers list, and once you do so, they will unfollow you, so it'll be automatically unfollowed once you remove them from your followers list. And then what you can do is you can simply go ahead and set it to private and leave it to private. That way they won't be able to view your list. However, if they follow you again, they will be able to view it, but to follow you again, you'll have to approve it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.